All right, good morning, happy Friday. Let's go. Um, let's take a look at things, right? We had a massive dumper dump yesterday. I guess Wednesday dump. This is Thursday dump. Kind of bounced, put in like a little bit of a double bottom down here. Um, we are struggling around like after hour highs, in a bit of a range. So really what I'm watching for on this hourly, if we can get back above like this level, like 960, we can, break back above like up in here, show some strength, get above that pre-market high, and then maybe continue, a bounce up. I would like that, especially if you're seeing like this double bottom, if we can reclaim that and move up after such a large sell-off. If not, the one thing I'm watching is if we break below this level, like 723 or so, if we just take a look at the daily, this is the next big like swing low that we have down here, right? We bounced here, we bounced here, we kind of bounced here. If we break down here, that's a big gap to our next support. We even have a massive fair value gap on the daily here. So way it's looking, kind of forming a hammer here daily so far. I can obviously have a lot of room to change, but yeah, we're looking for a continuation bounce, or if we break down below this level, potential shorts. So if we get back down here, I might watch for a bounce again. Might try to play a bounce. Like market just opened and we're kind of dumping, so we'll see. If we can break back up above this area, I'm interested. Bounce down here, I'm interested. Or if we break down completely, I'm interested in that. Try to play it calm. Try to be patient. That's really all we can do. Like in the middle of this range, I'm not too interested. Alright, let's get it. We do have news 10:40, never mind. So like an hour after the market is open. So in about an hour, 10 minutes. It's a weird time to have a conference, but yeah, we have dudes speaking.
What?
What's good, man? How you doing?
Good.
Sweet. Happy Friday.
Mm-hmm. What are you looking at today?
I'm just watching NQ. To the upside, I want to see it get above like pre-market high, potentially a little higher. It has like a little bit of a double bottom from like yesterday's low and the pre-market low that it bounced. So if it gets down there, maybe watching for a bounce, or if it breaks below that, like on the daily, that's like a big swing low, and they don't really have much support underneath that. So
Yeah.
seeing if it bounces down there or breaks down further, or if it kind of continues this little bounce from like a double bottom that we had. But
Okay.
kind of like right where it's at is in the middle of this like range, so I'm not really interested right now. Basically, yeah, if it gets lower or higher, we'll see.
Nice.
What about yourself?
Watching Plat right now. We just broke below a 4-hour trend line, but we're coming back up now, so we'll see
Yeah.
if we can hold it.
Yeah, it's an interesting spot. It's got like a little triple top on the 5 minute and some previous support from yesterday.
Yeah. The volume looks good to the upside.
Yeah, it looks like it's trying to push higher. You got anything going on this weekend?
Not that I know of. What about you?
Yeah, not really. Might I don't know. Went to like a little bluegrass thing last night with some friends. I think today we might go hang out at the river after work, but yeah,
That'll
not
be nice.
yeah. Nothing too much.
Yeah. Do you drink?
Yeah, not a lot, but I'll have a beer out with the fellas.
Yeah. Do you smoke at all?
Like weed?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to more than I do now. I'm actually kind of taking a little bit of a break, but I don't know. I go through phases.
Nice.
How about yourself?
Yeah, every night, but I've also been, it's gotten a little rough. Not rough, but I've been kind of abusing it lately, just all day. I've just pretty much been, so I'm trying to take a little break, just limiting it to just nighttime.
For sure. No, I feel it. That's actually exactly kind of the same as me because
Yeah.
like being unemployed. I was like, yeah, just hang out. And I realized like I don't know if a drug or if a job were to drug test me or something, that would suck. So I don't know. I have my phases. Usually, I'll get like I don't know. A little bit ago, I went like a couple months with nothing, and then I was like with family on vacation, and it was like out and about. I broke. I had a weak will.
I don't see nothing wrong with it.
No, it's just that like my problem is like if it's available, it's hard for me to like avoid it.
Oh, yeah.
Like if I'm around it,
Yeah.
so I just have to kind of like deplete my stores and then not get any more, and then I can go like months if I just avoid buying it. But
Just stay away from it.
yeah, but it is hard like because I've just pretty much always lived in states where it's legal, so you can just like walk down the street and fucking buy it if you want.
Yeah. Looks like we're taking off.
there's a massive water park in Denver, not too far from where I live. We might try to hit that up sometime soon.
Okay.
Just like fill a water bottle with margs or something, some margaritas. Go hit the water park. Sounds like a blast.
Yeah, it does sound fun. Man, I haven't been to a water park in a while.
Dude, yeah, since I was like a kid.
Yeah.
Do you have like Universal or Six Flags or anything down in Houston?
We have Six Flags like in San Antonio.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have like Schlitterbahn. Do you know what that is?
No.
Schlitterbahn's just our big water park.
That's tight.
It's kind of like, I don't know. What's like a famous water park? I guess Six Flags. They have water park.
Yeah, I've never really lived anywhere where it's like hot enough to have a water park.
Oh, yeah, I guess I never really thought about that.
It's like Alaska and then like Pacific Northwest. That's not really big up there. Oh, hell yeah, yeah, that looks sweet. The only water park we had was an indoor one in Alaska, but it was like pretty small comparative to like, yeah, Schlitterbahn. Holy shit, it's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. I don't know, just trying to think of something fun to do in the summer, I guess.
How hot does it get there in Colorado?
I'd say like in the summer it's like 80s. If it's hot, it's like 90s.
Nice.
But yeah, it usually chills around like mid 80s. It's honestly pretty ideal.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the next couple weeks it's like high 70s, mid 80s.
Yeah, that sounds real nice.
It's really dry. Like a dry heat, which is different.
Yeah, Houston is so humid.
Damn. I don't know. I guess humid heat, what, it feels hotter, right? Than dry
I
heat?
think so. I mean, I step outside at 7 a.m. and you're just pouring sweat.
Dang. Yeah.
You're wet and hot and you're sticky and ugh,
Damn, dude, I don't know how you do it.
every day, dude. It's annoying.
I have a lot of family and like almost all my extended families in Florida, so it's like, holy shit,
That's
NQ
kinda
just
insane,
ripped.
huh?
Yeah, no, very similar. We'd go and visit in the summer, like
Yeah.
like 100 degrees and just humid. And oh my gosh, I remember trying to like play basketball outside, and it looked like I jumped in a pool, like just completely drenched.
Right?
Tough, but
Hmm.
yeah. So you don't adapt, huh? You haven't adapted to it, where you're just
I
used
mean,
to it.
I've been here my whole life, so it's just kind of the norm. But whenever I go somewhere where it's not like this, yeah, I realize how shitty it really is here.
Gotcha. I'm sorry, dude.
But, you know, you live with it, so you just kind of grow to not even notice it. But when you really think about it, it's like, why the fuck am I soaking wet at 7:30 in the morning?
That's unfortunate, dude. Yeah, it's funny. It's like the opposite here. It's like in the morning before the heats up, it feels so good. It's like the perfect temperature. But by midday, it feels like I'm under a magnifying glass.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird. Like the high altitude, like dry heat.
Uh-huh.
It feels like even if you're not burning, it feels like you're burning. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah, it
there's no humidity or anything. It's just like a super dry heat. It seriously feels like, I don't know, somebody has a magnifying glass over your skin.
Yeah. Nah, I've been like the most sunburn I've ever been has been on a mountain, like snowboarding.
Yep.
I've gotten destroyed just not thinking about it. But the sun is brutal.
Yeah. I was in Europe and I was in like hiking in Switzerland. Just didn't even think about it. It was like 70 degrees, so it wasn't even that hot out, and I just got roasted.
Yeah.
Same thing, just like up in the mountains, not even thinking about it. Just melted me. Dude, NQ is doing some crazy shit. Just swinging like 80 points in a matter of minutes.
My buddy told me Microsoft was gonna tank today.
Yeah, Microsoft and CrowdStrike. I think CrowdStrike was down like 20% overnight.
Yeah.
There's some security issue. I don't know, I'm sure you saw that.
He was explaining it. I don't really understand.
Yeah, I don't know what happened, but apparently there's some issue between Microsoft or like Windows and CrowdStrike where like also they had to halt a bunch of flights. Like all these airlines' internet were down, all these websites
Yeah.
were down.
Yeah.
I grabbed a swing calls on AMD.
How are they looking?
I just bought it this morning, so yeah,
Oh,
nothing's really changed. But I'm looking on a daily chart. It had a massive sell-off,
yeah.
and now it's kind of sitting where it's bounced a couple times before. So I figured I'd risk buying like a month out call and see if it doesn't bounce.
Okay.
I kind of like swing trading options. I guess more than
Try it.
I like it more than trying to day trade them. Just because it like reduces a little bit of the volatility.
Yeah.
Having
I mean,
much
if
more
I
time.
could swing trade futures, I would, but the account doesn't let me.
Yeah.
I think that's where you make more money too. Swing trading.
For sure. And it's like probably a little bit more I don't know if I want to say like predictable than like super short term moves.
I feel like you're less likely to get faked out for sure.
Yeah. Especially if it's like it's a good company that generally trends up. And it's like sitting at support and it's like I feel pretty good
Right.
that at least betting that it will go up, a few bucks over the next month or so. I just pretty much only swing like tech names like Apple and Microsoft, AMD, stuff like that. That have good liquidity. Move nice. We'll see. Tech's been dumping lately, so I don't know.
Hello.
What's up, Yvonne?
Good morning, boys.
Morning.
Did you trade anything?
Nope.
Nothing yet.
Yeah. QQQ crazy again today.
yeah, exactly. It spiked like 100 points and then just dropped right back down.
Yeah. But rejected at pre-market high aggressively also.
Yeah, QQQ looks like it's starting to dump again. Crazy stuff. QQQs all over the place.
Scrolls and on Roman tablets, alphabet systems were recorded by hand. Then, in 15th century Germany, Johann Gutenberg made possible the printed page, introducing movable type that could be set in any combination. The Chinese had used such type for half a century, but it was new in Europe, and its spread was revolutionary. Wars and revolutions that reshaped Europe in the 18th century were signaled across the countryside by the earliest semaphore. Meanwhile, in America, men pushed west across a new continent.
Whoa.
What was that? Playing games, dude?
I was just clicking shit. I didn't know it would do that.
Chess in the park? We're playing chess, dude.
I guess.
I honestly don't know how to play chess.
Oh, cool.
Oh, I see you posting that profit loss chart, bro. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
That's looking good.
Thank you. Oh, fuck, do I get rid of this?
Oh, I've seen that too, though, where it, like, suggests games you can play.
Yeah, I've never clicked it before. Oh.
I'll be right back.
Alright.
Fully, do you just stick with like trend line moves with platinum, or do you trade like support and resistance as well?
I've only been doing trend lines.
Do you grab breakouts, or is it like break and retest?
If it's a strong breakout, yeah, I'll grab it.
Or
I still haven't figured out exactly how I like to trade it yet. It's only been a few weeks now. but
yeah,
Some things are tending to work a lot better than others, like rejects and bounces has been working pretty well.
nice. Yeah, I was just looking at it. It's like retesting that area that broke out of this morning.
Yeah.
That breakout was nuts.
There's a trend line on 1 minute. There's a trend line 1 minute SPY and KQQ. KQQ is
Yeah.
trying to break to the
Yep.
upside.
That resistance.
Yeah.
Dang, Spy's coiled up pretty tight. It's like a wedge from what is that? Pre-market low all the way to right now for support, and then yeah, same thing like pre-market high at it. Very nice. It breaks out. Almost thought about taking a long there down around low day on QQQ. I just don't really, I don't know. Trading in a range, I just don't trust it. Looks like it's trying to break out of that resistance though. Trend line. For the 4th time.
These swings, man, are crazy.
Yeah, super crazy.
Feel take anything?
Not really. You?
Nothing.
This is crazy, man.
What else? Yvonne, what are you doing this weekend?
Mm, I don't know, man. I don't have. Actually, tomorrow I'm taking first lesson in like kite school.
You're gonna learn how to kiteboard?
Sorry?
You're gonna learn how to kite surf?
Yeah, I never tried that one before. I wanna learn it.
Dude, that's... I really wanted to learn how to do that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is cool.
It's very fun.
Yeah, super cool. That's the one where you're like strapped into it and you can get pretty good air on it, huh?
Yeah, with that kite in the air and you're on the small board
Mm-hmm.
jumping around.
Are you gonna try to do it on your hydrofoil or no?
No.
You gonna use a wakeboard or something?
Yeah, that's just a regular board.
Yeah. Yeah, that's sick. I really want to learn how to do that.
So come here.
How much does it cost to like stay there? Like, what's the cost of living like?
Oh man, now it's a bit expensive now.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially because of the tourism.
How much would a trip there cost, do you think? Do you know?
With like flight and everything from America, or
Nah, just like whenever I get there, what should I expect? Like, if I wanted to spend a week in Croatia, how much money should I bring?
1 week, I don't know, man. Maybe 1 week. Per week, like $1,000 maybe.
Yeah, that's pretty normal.
Yeah, but when you're not like doing anything crazy, just like regular.
Yeah.
Okay, if you break this to the downside on QQQ,
Yeah.
looks like we are holding for now.
I'm gonna try a long. We took a couple contracts. Wow. As soon as I got in, it went up like 20 points.
It went up.
Yeah, as soon as I got in, it immediately went up. I took one off. I just took 3 contracts. Just seeing, it looks like it wants to go up. It's holding that low a day. It's kind of forming a little wedge. We'll see. I'm hoping it breaks out of that resistance and really flies. Trying to capture a juicer.
Mm.
Dusa.
We'll see though. It looks like it's kind of struggling. It's much lower, it will stop me out.
Now it looks like it wants to go lower.
Yeah, it stopped me out. Alright. I'm glad I took a small risk on that. Just based off the bounces that we were getting earlier from that point, I felt like it was worth giving it just a small risk. Yeah, there it goes. Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
Okay.
Y'all are crazy, dude. I don't know how y'all do that.
Trade in Q? It's really not too bad. I mean, you just have to make sure you have like decent risk management. And also take profits when it swings your way.
Yeah.
If it's trending, you can hold. Like, holy cow. Should have taken shorts maybe where I exited. If it's trending, you can hold, but in a choppy market, yeah, you're up like 15 points.
Grabbed it, like 40-point win.
Nice, you got it on the break.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Yeah, that dropped super hard.
Nice.
I tried to hold it a bit longer. I was like 45 points up. I took it for like 37, 38.
There you go. That's nice. That's a nice move.
I took that only because last couple of days when we break, you know.
That's true.
When we break, we run down like 100 points like nothing.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it still wants to go.
Yeah, just look at SPA on that break. It dropped like 10 points in like 1 minute candle.
Yeah, that's insane. Everything's still dropping too. Holy shit.
Damn.
Hey, maybe I should have taken it. It rejected right off the 20 MA where I took some profit. I guess maybe my mindset was wrong. I thought you could break to the upside, but that would have been a great place to short it. 70-point move. Crazy.
Yeah. Jeez.
All those SPA is now at its fourth pre-market low, and I have a zone there around 50. 551.
Yeah, I've
Yeah.
got a zone for SPY right there too. I have like a wide zone though. Mine's like 549 to 551. It's like a $2 zone. Jesus.
Yeah, I don't like draw them that big, man. That's
I
like
think
the
I
whole
drew it
trade.
like on a 4-hour time frame or something. Yeah, yeah. I
your
drew it on-
your zone is my 2 trades.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying, dude. Swing trading, I feel like you could actually capitalize on that $2 zone.
Yes, but you have to risk it at least then $1 when you're trying to catch that big moves.
Yeah, yeah, very true. Takes more money to make more money.
Yes.
What is y'all's plan after this ends up working out? What are y'all doing with all the money? Y'all investing it in real estate or what?
I don't know. Yeah, definitely investing it. Try to diversify investments, but honestly, if I was making good money off trading, I'd probably just live a pretty simple life. Get a house, get some land.
Yeah, man, for sure. Get some more hydrofoils.
Yeah, there you go. I'd go to Croatia and surf with Yvonne.
Yeah, I wish like in a couple of years you can all come in my house for like whole summer.
Yeah,
I'm so down.
love that.
I gotta recoup that $20 loss I just took, though. I'm joking.
That would be nice.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah, I'd like that.
Yeah, I just want to like fish and camp and I don't know.
Yeah. Sounds like the life.
Fish, camp, and fuck.
There you go. FCF. That's the way to
Wise
go.
words.
Look at that 5-minute wick now.
But yeah, honestly, I think if I had good money, I'd probably just. I feel like reducing your cost of living to the point where you just don't have to worry about it at all would be pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Like just never worried about bills or like something happens, you're like, yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
What about you, Fully? What's your plan?
Real estate mostly.
Not a bad choice.
Yeah. Some rental properties or something.
Man, NQ's still dropping.
You still in that, Yvonne, or no?
No, I took the whole position out.
Holy cow. It's getting down near that like pre-market low yesterday low. Let's see if it bounces from there.
Yeah, only problem is from the pre-market low and yesterday low is like $1. $1 difference, so 40 points.
Really? On NQ?
Yeah,
Am I tripping?
almost 40 points.
I'm seeing like 10.
I don't know. On QQQ, on TradingView, it's like 40 points.
Maybe my pre-market low. I'm just looking at that double bottom. Down around yesterday's
Yeah,
low.
from
I'm not sure.
yesterday, that's like around 476.30 on QQQ.
Huh. God, I'd love to hit like just one of those 100-point moves where it just drops like you're either going up or going down. Just to catch one of those with like 5 contracts or something.
Yeah.
Make like $1,000. It'd be insane.
What do you guys think is your biggest flaw in trading right now?
Probably patience.
Emotions.
Yeah, I'd say patience and emotions. It's like one and the same for me. I'll watch it move like 100 points and then I get FOMO and then I try to take a trade that was dumb.
Yeah.
For
But-
me, it's like when I see a red, that I'm red on a day, I try to cut position, like break even, and then whenever I do that, it immediately like goes in my favor
Hmm.
with like good setup. So, I
You're saying like if you're
Probably
red on
both.
the day and then you like take another
no,
trade.
if I'm like couple positions, a couple points I have drawdown like couple of points,
Uh-huh.
I get like emotional or something. Probably because I don't know, switch from like small amount of money and then now on the screens you can see a lot of money.
That's fair. With this 50K account last week, that was kind of what got me, is that I was taking bigger position sizes. And same thing, I just get, I don't know, just like as soon as it started to go against me, kind of panic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This week I've been trading with just like 5 contracts, but looking for bigger moves, and it helps me Because even if I lose, it's like the loss isn't that big.
Hmm.
But if you hold, you know, 5 contracts for a decent move, it's still like a good profit. But
And
it's hard.
started doing that, your trades are more similar to mine.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking for like 20, 30 points instead of like, I don't know, 10, 15 that I was before with more contracts.
Right.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
I
good.
usually take like 10 to 15 like loss on my trades, so I aim
Exactly.
for like 30, 40 points.
Yeah.
Like in
Yeah, I think we're pretty much the same there. Yeah. 10 to 15 point stop, and then I'm aiming for, yeah, like 20, 30 points for the first trim, and then try to hold runners.
Yeah.
yeah.
But it also depends on price action. I usually base off, like, where I take profits is based more off of price action than, like, the point amount, I guess.
Yeah, but it's very easy. I mean, it's not easy, but it's easy to reach that goal because QQQ is really moving these couple of weeks.
For sure. Like, honestly, I kind of wish I...
Like,
My bad. Go on.
no, sorry, just like last 2-minute candles there goes like 40 points bounce.
Exactly. I was gonna say, grabbing a long down there once we kind of consolidated, not too bad of an idea. It moved, yeah, like 40 points. Now it's rejecting off the 20 EMA though, almost perfectly.
Yeah, that's 478 on QQQ. It was fourth last couple of weeks, maybe last month. At 478 level on QQQ.
That bounce from the low, it's pretty nice. These price swings are crazy though. Jeez. Wow, that rejection off the EMA would have been perfect. Holy shit, almost to the T. Dropped like 30 points right after it. This price action is bonkers. Wow.
Platinum is pretty much exactly where we opened at. Still.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know, the way the price is just kind of hanging out down here around low a day makes me think it's on a bounce again. Kind of tempted, but I don't know if I really want to risk it. Yeah, it looks like it wants lower. Who knows?
Mhm.
publishing golfing on 5 minutes.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks like QQQ kind of wants to turn around. Got these little double swing highs here. If it breaks that, might break that downtrend. Looks like it wants to. These swings are crazy.
For sure.
Looks like it wants to break to the upside though. Keeps testing it.
And QQQ still rejecting that
Yeah.
478.
wants to break up, it looks like. Uh-oh. Trader 8 just froze.
Yeah, mine's been bugging lately. I don't know why.
I'm gonna try a long in here on NQ. We'll see. I think it gets a little push though. And if it doesn't, then, you know, RIP. We're in it to win it.
Yeah, you need to hold this level now, and you're good to go.
Profit a decent amount. It's almost my first take profit, so looking good. I just like that we formed that bottom and kind of curled around. We'll see. Hopefully get some follow through.
Crazy. We definitely need to grade this level here. Very nice. Did you see that spike?
It's crazy. I just have one runner left.
I have also a long position here. I'm up like 25 points. My entry was not the greatest, but it's working out. I'm going to sell like on 40 and 35 points. Fill me. Fill me, please. Oh my god, nice. Oh. Man. I'm so stressed out, I don't know why. Oh, but
Runners. That was a nice move.
I mean, it's stupid how 1 minute candle can be 40 points in like 11 o'clock. Did we have any news or no?
No, it already passed.
This is crazy, man. And the sad part is I almost got faked out.
You
Yeah,
held.
you're still holding?
No, I'm out.
Nice.
I had like
Yeah.
took my first trim at like
Yeah,
20,
and,
20.
I think,
The
you know,
rest were
once
like around
Susan
30,
gets on,
35.
we can go more in depth on that.
Nice.
What was your entry, man?
I'm on
On
the Amazon
NQ.
Books team, and I work with.
Yeah, but what was the price?
specializes in
19,823 to be
books and
exact.
programs, and I
33?
haven't
Is
had
a 23.
like a digital bookstore program, but we are starting to look into that and have more options
Yeah,
for
I don't know.
college bookstores.
I got it
So,
once it held the EMA
yeah, so I
after
think
flipping it.
it'll be great to hear what.
Okay, nice.
For the week though, fellas. Take it easy. I'm gonna take off.
Alright, man. Sounds good. I'll catch y'all Monday.
Sounds good, yeah.
Yeah, guys. See you
Have a good
Monday.
weekend.
Enjoy the weekend, guys.
Good trades today. Peace.
Yeah. See you guys.